Alright gents, how's it going? So, it's been a while since we've had a little chat. But yeah, a few things to talk about. First of all, yes, unfortunately, this probably is the last main ride of the season, meaning it's gone so cold now, man. It's like 2 degrees at the moment, and you know, I'm not riding as much these days, so yeah, it's probably the last main ride. Not definitely, I might be out again, but most of the time the weather looks like this. So yeah, it's not exactly rider friendly weather. So yeah, probably the last main ride of the season, but you know, not to worry, there's still going to be loads of cool videos coming out. Still got loads of footage left over. Not everything makes it to the channel, so some good stuff that I can still put out. And I might be out again. I'm saying this now. I'll probably be out next week, but yeah, I'll probably be out again. It's just I'm just saying it just in case, because our winters are pretty shocking here. So many people out today. It's Christmas season, man. Into December now, so everyone's just out shopping on a Sunday. But yeah, got all those pretty lights. So essentially what I want to talk about is I'm gonna have more content on my second channel. So some of you might have seen Dan the four-wheeler, but essentially what I'm going to try and do, and this is just a trial, is to have weekly vlogs on that channel. So I've done the first one, the first weekly vlog, so you guys can go and check that out now. First link in the description, and just let me know what you think, man. If you think it's a bit rubbish and you're like, you know what, Dan, stick to motovlogging, then I will do. You know, I'm not too bothered. I'm just doing it for you guys. I thought maybe it'd be good for you guys to see what else I do outside of biking. So it's going to be it's going to be there. It's already live, actually. You check the first link in the description. Go in there. Please do comment and let me know what you think. Like, honestly, if you don't want me to do it, I won't do it. Like I said, it's just for you guys. So let me know what you think. I will read all the comments. Gotta watch out for these Deliveroo guys, man. They're crazy, trust me. These guys are literally crazy. I'm feeling particularly hooliganish today, if that's even a word. But yeah, apart from that, guys, all is well. 'Tis the season to be jolly, as they say. Ooh, it's a nice Porsche. Oh my god, I should have gone that way. Sounded so cool. Can we get in for free? Yes, we can. We can. Let's. I've not really done this before. I've wanted to do it for a while, but since I've had this bike or this exhaust, I've never been in a car park in Manchester. So now is the time. Oh my god, it's gonna be so loud. There's a bike stand there, so. This gap is made for bikers, yeah? I think so. I'm literally here for no reason, guys. I'm just here to make noise. Oh my god, it's so loud. I can't hear myself think. This is crazy. You know, I want to go up a few levels. This is crazy. Whew. I don't even know how I get down now. I love this car park. This is my new place to come. Just the first gear low revs are insane. You alright? I think there's like machines around that you have to pay in. The guy just thought he could come in for free. Sorry mate, you need a bike for that. Well, that was fun. Let's go and quickly check out the Christmas markets. There's every time in December there's in Albert Square. You might have seen this before in my videos. This is like right in the middle of city centre. Set up these markets, and oh my god, that's a huge Santa. What the hell is that thing actually doing? But yeah, it looks pretty cool little place to buy little things. I don't know. I don't really take part in it. Pop them in their faces. Ha ha ha. Anyway guys, that's been it. I'm just gonna go and get lost in city centre somewhere. And I'll see you guys in the next one, really. Thank you very much for watching, and peace.